What's going on, pickleball fans? Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your trusted source for everything pickleball, from paddle reviews and comparisons to performance gear and expert-level insights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting into the sport, this is where you'll find the latest and greatest pickleball paddles of 2025. Our goal is simple: to help you find the perfect paddle that matches your playstyle, whether that means more power, more control, or that perfect blend of both. In this video, I'll be breaking down the top 5 best pickleball paddles in 2025, tested and rated for power, control, spin, and overall value. We'll cover everything from budget-friendly picks to elite paddles used by the pros, so no matter your level, there's something here for you. And before we dive in, remember, all the paddles featured in this video are linked down below in the description. Check out Amazon's best deals and grab your next paddle before the prices change. Now let's get into it. Number 4. Selkirk Vanguard Power Air Invicta, best for precision. If you're looking to dominate the court with pinpoint accuracy, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air Invicta stands out as the best pickleball paddle for precision in 2025. This paddle is built with a long, narrow face and an advanced carbon fiber surface that gives you exceptional control and responsiveness. Its elongated design offers extra reach without sacrificing maneuverability, perfect for sharp angles, drops, and those fast net exchanges. What sets the Invicta apart is its rare balance of touch and power. The hybrid polymer core dampens vibration while enhancing feedback, allowing you to feel every shot and adjust mid-rally when needed. For advanced players, this paddle delivers surgical precision, while intermediate players will love its forgiving sweet spot and smooth learning curve. If control defines your game, this is your weapon of choice. Number 3. Selkirk Vanguard Power Air, best for spin. If you love hitting with heavy spin, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air is a game changer. Its aerodynamic frame and textured hybrid surface are designed to maximize ball contact for next-level spin potential. The carbon polymer face gives you that perfect blend of power and control, letting you rip top spins, slice serves, and roll cut shots with total confidence. Its elongated frame adds reach and quick handling at the net, making it a favorite among competitive players who like to control rallies through spin and deception. Despite being a power-focused paddle, Selkirk has engineered the Vanguard Air with excellent comfort and stability. The vibration dampening tech helps protect your wrist and elbow during long matches. If you're a spin-savvy player looking to outmaneuver your opponents, this paddle is absolutely worth every penny. Number 2. Best all-court pickleball paddle, balanced performance. This paddle is the most well-rounded performer of 2025, balancing power, control, and finesse like no other. It features a carbon fiber face paired with a polymer honeycomb core, creating consistent performance from the baseline to the kitchen. The generous sweet spot gives you forgiveness on off-center hits, and its mid-weight balance helps transition seamlessly between power drives and soft touch plays. It's ideal for players who want one paddle that can do it all, whether you're smashing overheads or playing long dink rallies. Intermediate players will find it incredibly stable and confidence-boosting, while advanced players can still rely on it for competitive matches. Durable, versatile, and stylish, this paddle earns its place on any court. Number 1. Selkirk Vanguard Control 2.0, best for touch and finesse. If you value precision, placement, and soft hands, the Selkirk Vanguard Control 2.0 is your go-to paddle. It's built with a thick polypropylene core and a refined carbon fiber surface, giving it a beautifully soft touch that makes dinks, drops, and resets feel effortless. The balanced weight and slightly elongated handle make it perfect for players who want ultimate feel at the kitchen line. The vibration-dampening core minimizes arm strain and enhances tactile response, helping you stay consistent through long rallies. While it doesn't have the brute force of a power paddle, its control and finesse makes it one of the smartest buys of 2025 for strategic players. And that wraps up our look at the top 5 best pickleball paddles of 2025, each one carefully selected to match different styles and levels of play. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and turn on the bell so you never miss a paddle review, gear test, or performance guide. All the paddles mentioned are linked below, so don't forget to check out Amazon's best deals while they're still live. It helps support the channel and keeps us testing the gear that matters to real players. Thanks for watching. This is Consumer Heaven, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, play smart, play strong, and keep your game pro pick.